everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another cash stuffing Sunday. I hope you guys are all doing really good. Before we get into today's video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. You all know I love having you here. So guys, first of all, today's video is a low monetary amount. We only have 150 smackers because I've already spent 50 on food, which I'm not going to include in this because I've already spent it. So there's that. So let's make sure we have the 150. As I said, we have a look at, I've already had an accident with this. It ripped, but you know what? I'm not even going to fix it. I'm just going to leave it because I'm going to do a new one in January and we'll start again from fresh and I'll do a proper one. So yeah, don't worry about it. You know, these things happen. We make do. It's all fine. Right, so let's go. Let's start counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 110, 120, 130, 140, and 2 tens makes 150 smackerinos. Right, let's see where we're going with these today. Now, as I've told you before, the Argos is back. Ugh, I hated being back, but sure, look it is what it is. And we don't have much of a control over it, I'm afraid, so I just want to keep the old credit looking good. So, right, council tax is coming in first at 50 quid. So, 2, 1, 2, and I'll take a tenner. Let's start that as we mean to go on. Now, that's that one done. Childcare is also getting another 50. 2, 4, and 10 is 5 because I swear this bill, it just like pops up and around me fierce quick. Now let me just see how much I have in this already. So 50. Right, let's do it properly. God bless us, what's wrong with me today? Right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 100. That's actually really decent for me. Usually I find I'm always like a bit behind, but that's actually good. That's actually really good. I'm happy now I have £100 in childcare, so that's good. What is next? Boys' beds is getting a tenner. Right, let me see, how am I actually doing with the boys' beds? I think I had 100 last week when I counted it. I meant to go to the bank, but sure, look it. I did a boo-boo. I went to Aldi, got a few bits, which I will be showing here in a few days' time, so stay tuned. And I don't know why, but this is the second time it's happened. I have literally went from the cash register to the car and lost my bank card. Literally. It's the second time I've done it. I don't know where I put them. So from now on, I am no longer taking my card in with me to Aldi. I am now going to bring cash because I keep losing the bloody thing and it's driving me crazy having to wait for to get another one. So let's just check and see how much we have now for the boys' bed. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, now here, hold on. 2, 4, 6, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, so not too bad. It turns out I actually had 400 to put on it. So when I put in this, it would be 300 less, or 300, you know, what am I saying? So it turns out I actually have 400 to take off it. So with this 100, it'll be 300, or rather 290, but we get there. Boys' beds, Very is getting a tenner. Very. Now, I know I needed 45 for my next installment of this, which is due in March. But let's just double check and see how we're getting on there. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Yeah, we're good. So I can soon put that into my account and just pay that off. And then that will be March's installment done and dusted. Again, no interest paid. £10 is going for water. Where is my water one? Here we go. £10 is going for water. And I spent 20 on the Argos card this week. So that's going back in there. Okie dokie, folks. That is it for the cash stuff. And again, I haven't hit my, what was it? I haven't done my sinking funds in a while because I literally just haven't had the funds. I've had to take a few days off work with my baby being sick and all. And you know what? It's really hit me. So yeah. The budget is a bit tighter than it normally would be. Oops, sorry. Did not need to move it there. So I seem to have a fair bit of cash change. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wow. 820, 840, 45, 47, 848. Not too bad. Which we know is not going to be able to go here. So let's see if we can manage this some way. The £2 one is gone. Can we do a £2 too? Oh, actually, do you know what? Let me see what I have on the far side, because I'm, oh Lord bless us, after ripping it again. So look at, it's absolutely in tatters, this. Mother of God, would you look at it? Right, we'll do the £4.10 because that's a bigger denomination. We'll get rid of that one first. Did you ever see such a thing in all your life? But you look at, we'll do well on the next one. It'll be grand. Right, so that's £4.10 from that one. And we have £3, £4, £4.08 we can do. £4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I can do the £4.08. Okay. That new Meghan Trainor song is in my head. The one I Made You Look. And this one we have 30p. So we'll swing her around the far side. Because I'm pretty sure I haven't 30p done yet. No, I haven't. And there we go. And folks, as always, don't forget to update your piggy tracker thing and keep that going. And that is it. Another day, another dollar, and we are still saving, folks, and I'm so happy about that. Again, folks, thank you so much for watching my videos. I know these cash stuff and Sundays must just seem like a little bit monotonous, but you know what? We are hitting them targets. Look at, we nearly hit over on this side on my piece of absolute rubbish paper, but look at, we nearly have a line here. Do you know? We're doing actually better than I thought we would. And one of my subscribers actually messaged me, and she told me she wasn't too keen on the whole idea of cash stuff, and which is totally fine. Like, if you're not into it, you're not into it. But she messaged me to tell me that she has now bought her first little pocket book of one of these. And that she has now started her journey. And even though her journey has only started off at £10, I'm still incredibly proud of her, because she is on her debt-free journey. And that is where it starts. And that is all you need. You just need to start. No matter how small the denomination is, you just need to start. And folks, I'm going to be putting up my first cash stuff on Sunday here, because when I started off doing this, I did not have a lot of money, but I did manage to clear a lot of debts, even if it was my Argos card, and I wound up doing it again. But you know what? Things happen. Life happens. Like, I had to put the printer on it because the kids had a project to do, and I needed a printer, so I had to put it on the card because I hadn't budgeted for it. My sinking funds are not there yet where I want them to be, which will hopefully be something I'm going to be doing next year, God willing, and the funds will be there. That'll be where I'm at. So with that, folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. We'll leave it all here, and I'll see yous next Sunday for another cash stuffing. Talk to you soon. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks. Don't forget. Bye.